The Infinity 7-piece professional router bit set goes beyond the basics by offering all half-inch shank quality bits with larger cutting profiles along with the essential basic bits. Great for edge profile work with roundover, cove, and chamfer bits. For joinery, we've provided a cove and roundover bit that can be used to create a drop leaf joint. The rabbeting bit with multiple bearings is used for joinery, cabinet construction, and more. Work with veneer and pattern work using the flush trim and top bearing straight bit. Packaged in an attractive wood case, this 7-piece professional router bit set will give you the best bang for your buck while giving you the most useful cutters.